Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Prettiest Birthday bundle. So I created this card using the Prettiest Birthday bundle. I really like this bundle. I love the banner and the balloon banner as well as all the sentiments. I love this scripty font. And then you've got some fun little birthday elements as well. And then I love this label die. It's really fun. And you've got all the dies to cut out all of the stamped elements too. So I wanted to create my own background for this card. So I have a piece of balmy blue and I'm just gonna stamp repeatedly this cake in Whisper White to create my background. Pretty simple. We're going to do that first because Whisper White needs a little bit of time to dry. And if your Whisper White ink is dry, you can go ahead and use your ink refill to ink it up again, because sometimes it can be dry when you first open it. But mine is nice and juicy, so I can just go ahead and start stamping my birthday cakes. And I'm just going to stamp them in a row on the first row, just all the way across. And then on the next row, I'm going to offset the cakes. So I'm going to stamp it in the middle. Come back and stamp this one. And then same thing on the third row, just offset the cake. Just a little piece of the cake right there. All right, so I'm going to set this aside and let this dry. And I'm going to stamp my piece of Highland Heather here with Highland Heather. I'm going to do the little balloon banner as kind of background for my sentiment. So this is the nice balloon background. So I'm just going to ink that up fairly lightly, and then I'm going to come in and stamp it about halfway down, and then flip it over and do the same thing. And it's okay if it overlaps because it will be hidden behind the sentiment. So it's okay that it overlaps here. And so now I can just layer this on top of some Whisper White. And then I've already stamped and cut out my banner. So I've already cut out the sentiment, so I can stamp my sentiment also in Highland Heather. Just right in the middle. I think that is a little bit high, but that will work still. And then we will add dimensionals to these. So that will just go right in the middle there. Oops, let's slide it over just a little bit. So right like that. And then hopefully this is dry, and I scrap back in just in case it's not. We will layer that on top of here. I'm just going to be careful just in case it's not completely dry because I don't want to smear anything. add some dimensionals to this as well. Looks like it's pretty dry. And we will add this to the card, centering it. And then we will add this one to the card. We will center that. And then we will add the little banner. I'll put dimensionals just on the end. We'll add our little banner over here. And there we have our birthday card with our cake background. I'm offering a card kit, a free card kit, which consists of these 3 designs. You get 2 of each. This is a fun gatefold card that opens up like this. And if you purchase the bundle, you'll receive this card kit for free, or you can place a $30 order on my website using the March Hostess code and email me and let me know that you would like this Prettiest Birthday card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos on the Prettiest Birthday bundle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.